Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your trusted source for in-depth, honest product reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Cuisinart Hurricane 48-aughts glass jar digital blender. This isn't just another blender, it's packed with features designed to simplify your blending experience and give you consistent quality results. Let's see how it performs when put to the test. The Cuisinart Hurricane blender comes with a 48-ounce glass jar and an ergonomic handle, making it both easy to pour and durable for daily use. It boasts 5 manual speeds, which give you full control over your blending, whether you're looking to make a quick smoothie or break down harder ingredients. But what sets this blender apart are the 6 preset programs: Smoothie, Pulse, Milkshake, Cocktail, with coarse and fine settings, Ice Crush, and Clean. These presets aim to take the guesswork out of blending by offering specialized settings tailored to different needs. The blender also features a self-clean preset, making cleanup as simple as pressing a button. With a removable blade assembly, cleaning is straightforward and hassle-free. Now let's talk about how this blender actually performs in everyday use. Right out of the box, the setup was a breeze. The digital display is intuitive with clear buttons for each function and program. Using the presets is incredibly easy. Just select the program and the blender does the rest. I tested the smoothie preset first, blending frozen fruit, yogurt, and some spinach. It crushed the ice effortlessly and left me with a smooth, well-blended drink. I was impressed by the consistency and speed. The milkshake preset also performed well, giving a thick, creamy shake in no time. For a more challenging test, I tried the Ice Crush preset. The blender worked through the ice with impressive power, and there were no large chunks left behind. If you're someone who loves to make frozen drinks or smoothies, this blender definitely delivers on that front. However, no product is perfect, and the Cuisinart Hurricane does have its drawbacks. While the 48-ounce glass jar is great for larger quantities, it's also fairly heavy when filled. If you're blending smaller batches, you might find yourself struggling a bit with the weight. Another minor downside is that while the blender is powerful, it's not the quietest. The motor does make quite a bit of noise when it's working through harder ingredients, like ice or frozen fruit. This might not be a huge issue if you don't mind the noise, but it's something to keep in mind if you're blending in a quieter setting. When it comes to value for money, the Cuisinart Hurricane offers a lot of features for its price. The 5 speeds and 6 preset programs give you versatility, and the glass jar adds a touch of durability that plastic jars often lack. Plus, the self-cleaning feature and removable blade assembly make this blender easy to maintain. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but considering its power, versatility, and long-lasting design, it offers good value, especially for those who blend regularly. In comparison, other blenders in this price range, such as the Vitamix Explorian or Ninja Professional, are solid alternatives, but they either don't have as many preset programs or the glass jar design. The Vitamix, for example, is known for its blending power, but it's often more expensive. On the other hand, Ninja offers some great value blenders, but you might miss the precise control offered by the Hurricane's preset programs. When we talk about build quality, the Cuisinart Hurricane stands out. The glass jar is strong and sturdy, and the blender overall feels well built from the lid to the base. The motor is powerful, and while it can be loud, it feels like a serious tool that will last. Over time, the performance has held up well. There haven't been any signs of wear on the motor or blade assembly after several weeks of use, and cleaning remains simple, thanks to the removable blade system. As for customer support, I didn't have to reach out to Cuisinart, which is a good sign. The company has a solid reputation for providing timely support and solutions when needed, so you can feel confident in their after-sales service if any issues arise. Now, in terms of updates, this blender doesn't rely on software or firmware, so there's nothing to update here. But with its preset programs and intuitive display, it's a product that's designed to serve you well right out of the box. So, what's the final verdict? The Cuisinart Hurricane 48-aughts glass jar digital blender is a solid option for those looking for a versatile, easy-to-use blender with plenty of power. It's perfect for smoothies, milkshakes, cocktails, and even ice crushing. with the added bonus of a self-cleaning feature. While it's not the quietest blender around, and the glass jar can be a bit heavy, the overall build quality and performance make this a great addition to any kitchen. If you're someone who values precision and convenience, the Hurricane is definitely worth considering. However, if you're after a quieter or more compact option, there are other models to explore. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. The link to the Cuisinart Hurricane blender can be found in the comments box. Feel free to ask any questions or share your own experiences if you've used this blender already. Until next time, stay blended and keep reviewing with Reviews Inside TV.